So ready for some Asemic writing? I hope so, because I love, love, love this. There's like tons of different ways to do it. This is one of them. This is another form of Asemic writing that looks more like shorthand. This is like literally like letters, and I'm going to show you on this one first. My absolute favorite one is Om. So it's Om, 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 Om. So once you have the O, the M, think of letters that would easily go together. So like L and E, L, E, 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 E. And that makes it illegible. Just write. It helps me if I think of something like serendipity. Love. Love, serendipity. Joy. Happy. I am so happy. Is go into where the hollow spaces are and fill some in. Love this. It's like so meditative for me. And if you want to put, like extra thickness of lines somewhere where there's no obvious place, just create it. And when there's like a huge space, you can make it smaller. This one I call Asemic calligraphy. When I was in 10th grade, we did a lot of calligraphy. And I always liked the thin and thick line variations in the writing. So when I started doing this, I started calling it Asemic calligraphy. And I am sticking to it. And then you just go back in, look over it, and see where you want to add. And don't think about it. Just let it happen, and wherever your hand goes, let it go. So what do you think of this? Isn't this totally fun? And like it looks like just a piece of paper, but just have a look how easily this can turn into a really cool piece of art when you frame it.